Welcome to GOAT LEGUS. GOAT LEGUS is a mix of Greek inspiration and Black culture. The first do-it-yourself art toy for a statue that you can create your own character, person, or design something of your very own. This is a game changer in a space that hasn't really changed. LEGUS is designed for the artist in mind. Unlike traditional bust statues, you can twist the head, torso, and base 360 degrees. The minimalist design gives you ample surface space to build and create with. You can use clay to sculpt, carve, and reshape LEGUS. Creators no longer have to start from scratch with armature wire, aluminum, or large amounts of material just to build the foundation for your character. You can paint and bring out your creativity in so many new ways. Each part detaches, making it easier for painters of all levels to design. That provides the opportunity to bring as much detail as you want into your custom. LEGUS comes in very portable and easily accessible sizes. The standard model is 5 inches in height. So if you're a collector, this can fit in nearly any environment from your shelf, desk, or anywhere else that you plan to take it. It is a lightweight rotocast versus standard heavy statues that aren't easy to move or to relocate. This isn't like any other statue you've ever seen. For the very first time, you can pose and interact and customize a statue and make it your own. History in the making, greatness in the shaping.